Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. Make sure your device is charged at least 50% or plugged in, and that you have a recent backup or cloud sync. Once done, open the App Store or the app's update screen and find the app you want to update. You tap Update to start. This step ensures the update won't be interrupted and lets you restore if something goes wrong, so don't skip the backup or power check. You manage the middle steps by choosing a stable connection. Use Wi-Fi for large files or enable cellular if necessary. Once the download begins, watch for permission prompts. Only grant permissions the update requires. Make sure to keep the app or device awake if the update guide instructs you to, and monitor the progress indicator for errors. If the installer pauses, pause and resume the download rather than canceling. These actions keep the install smooth and reduce risk of corrupted files. You finish by opening the updated app and testing core features like login, syncing, or key workflows to confirm success. If something fails, clear the app cache first. If problems persist, reinstall the app or restore your backup. Make sure to verify the app version in settings and read the release notes so you understand new behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the device before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.